Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this lecture series, we dive deep into the world of the iOS development, covering everything we need to know become a proficient iOS developer. So, whether you are a beginner or looking for an enhance our skills, so let us join on the exciting journey. So, in this video, I'm gonna use Xcode as a IDE and Swift as a programming language. So, in the first step what I'm gonna do is first I'm initially going to download Xcode. For downloading Xcode, we have to go to the app store. So click on app store and go to the search bar and type Xcode. So from here you can download your Xcode, or either you can download it from here and go to the website called Xcode developer.app.com. From here also you can download Xcode, as you can see that by clicking on the download button. So it's depending upon you where you wanted to download. So click on that button and so let's get this started. So click on Xcode, click on the button create a new project. So there's a lots of options are available here, so you have to click on the iOS and then app and click on next. So you have to give some product name, so I'm gonna give first app. From here you can put your organization identifier, so it's depending upon you what you wanted to give. So and click on interface UI. So I'm gonna choose UI interface and language as a Swift. Storage none. So you have to please do uncheck all those buttons. Click on next. I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna create a new folder here on desktop button. So click on create. So as you can see that it's loading, so it will take time to loading our content. So you have to wait for some time. So it's loading right now. Yeah, so we are able to launch it properly. As you can see that there is a hello world. So initially what we're gonna do is we have to delete all those things like hello world, and we have to start from the scratch. So for starting we have to select this vs tags up to here dot padding and delete it. So as you can see that after deleting we have going to get lots of error. So no need to worry about that, we are gonna fix it. So I'm gonna add image. So we have to come to the left side and click on asset tab. From here we are gonna like in asset tab we can paste our images and colorful things. So click on asset. So what we're gonna do is I'll go to the like desktop tab and drag this image and paste it into this. Yeah, as you can see that. So yeah, we are able to paste our image here in this tab. So after pasting this image, what we're gonna do is as you can see, there is a plus button in above the left right above side. So click on plus button and click on, there is a lots of option available here. Click on paste button. So there's a lots of option available. One is view and modifiers and snippets, media, colors and symbol. So first initially we're gonna click on view button and type image. So from here we have we what we're gonna do is please drag this image and paste it into here. So after pasting something from view or a modifier tab, you must have to make sure like you have to paste this code this above the curly braces. So yeah, click on asset, click on content view. So yeah, after clicking this we have to put the image name like file name. my image name is this, so I'm gonna put this. So yeah, you are able to see that like we are able to put it our image in this app, load our image in this tab. So but our image is not like able to load properly. So what we're gonna do is click on plus button, again click on modifiers. Here is a modifier button, as you can see that, and type resize. So yeah, you can able to see that there is an image resizable. So we what we're gonna do is we have to simply drag it and paste it in this side. So yeah, its content is loading. So yeah, you are able to see that we are able to load our image properly. It's a fixed shape and size. So resize dot resizable is which is used for tells why the system image can be resized. So it will tells automatically like how do we can resize our image, and it's making the proper direction. After resizing it, like the image we are able, this image is not like looking properly. It's something like it's looking like a squeeze. So what we're gonna do is we have to fix some its aspect ratios and all those things. For set up all this aspect ratio, again we have to click on the plus button and click on modifier button. Under modifier button, what gonna click is aspect ratio. Before adding aspect ratio, we're gonna add the corner radius. So click on corner radius and drag and paste it this side. So we are not able to analyze like our corner is like curve or not. So for that we have to increase some sizes here. So click on this. Let's say like I'll choose 15 again. So yeah, after putting this, we are able to see there is a corner cutting here. You guys are able to see that. So moving forward, after adding the corner radius, we're gonna going to add one more things is aspect ratio to fix the image. So for adding the aspect ratio, what we're gonna do is again we have to click on the plus button and go to the modifier tabs and search aspect ratio. Aspect ratio. So from here you are able to see that there is aspect ratio. So what we're gonna do is we have to drag and paste it in this side. So yeah, and by clicking on this, we are I'm gonna like we are not able to like see this image properly. This image got shifted in left side. So what we're gonna do is we have to like make this image in proper direction. So I'm gonna use for fix this image command, like either we can use the code for fix this image. So what I'm gonna do is we have to delete this dot fields and click on here. As you can see there is a aspect ratio, so click on aspect ratio and we have to fit this image. So here there is a three option: inherited, fit and fill. So we have to click on fit and again refresh it. Like you are able to now its image is on its proper direction. So again click on this and fixing the is aspect ratio. What we're gonna again do is click on plus button and add some padding. So click on padding, drag and paste it this side. So there's a some space between from all the side, like left and right side, up and down side. So after adding padding, we have to click on again plus button and click on view and add text. So click on text and again drag and paste it this side. So here we have to provide some name between below between these braces. So I'm gonna type first tab. So as you can see that there is a here you can able to there is a first tab. So like I have to add some headlines. We have to change the color from by clicking it. So I want like it's depending upon you what color you want it. So I'm choosing here from orange, and we have to like make it bold or black, thin, regular, heavy. So I'll do it bold here, and click on identifier button. So yeah, here we can do a changing in this text. As you can see that after doing this, I have to add a vertical stack. So click on this plus again plus button, and in view tab you have to type a vertical stacks. So here as you can see there is a vertical stack. So come to this tab, choose a vertical stacks and put it in above side of this image tab. So in this we have like we don't want to add any content here like a placeholder. So simply what we're gonna do is erase it and copy this whole tags and paste it between these curly braces in v stacks. So what we're gonna do is we have to select all this, command x and command v. So yeah, as you can see that like we are able to load it properly by using this. So I'm gonna use some modifiers to like change this font like a first tab and all those things. So again go to the plus button, click on this and go to the modifier tabs and type font. So you have to come down, so click on this font, drag and paste it over here. You can like add the identifier here, but as of now I'm not going to add. So yeah, as you can see that like after doing this all those things, what we're gonna do is we have to like add some background before the in app. So how do we gonna do that? So for adding the background, what we're gonna do is we have to go to the view button and click on this, and we have to drag and again drag this depth stack and copy in this side. So in depth tab, what we have to do is erase this content between this and copy this whole code and paste it here. So what we have to do is copy this, we have to cut this simply and paste it here. So in just z stack tab, what we're gonna do is we have to like add some color. For adding color, you have to type, color, and between these curly braces you need to type dot whatever you want to add the color according it's depending upon you which color you wanted to add. I'm gonna add the black color in a background, so I'm click on black. So yeah, as you can see that we are able to like add a black color into this. So in this lecture for that much only. So for more videos, please stay tuned in my YouTube channel and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest iOS development tutorials and the lectures. And thank you for joining us on the iOS development journey. Get ready to build a code and create amazing iOS application. Thank you very much.